iBoy. You are welcome to the internal I program today too. Today the most important thing is the whole world is suffering from a certain kind of virus, what we called COVID-19. So I am going to give you some remedy for this at the end of the video, and first of all we have to look into and see, we have to understand what a virus is. As far as I understand and as far as I know, according to my experience of 30 years in teaching the students, and as well as experience in this third eye, virus means a certain kind of let's say non-human effect, and that will be directly affected to the invisible body of a human. Just step by step we'll look into that and internalize this, and we'll understand that. Then you will see, you will understand how this acts and what will it do to us, and how we should get protected from that virus. If you are suffering from that virus, if you are a patient, nothing will help you, because in the world so far there is no remedy for this. So the only remedy is to be get freed your astral body from those virus. You know, in my earlier videos I have introduced you how this physical body is linked with the astral body. For example, this physical body is similar to a phone, hand phone. Hand phone does not work, as you know, without apps. The app should be installed. You can install one app. That means your phone is functioning on one app. If you are installing 100 apps, your phone is functioning 100 apps. That means you have, your phone is ready to do 100 duties, separate duties. So like that, if you are going to make that means similar both human and also a phone, that means the virus means those apps. Now you can see these apps, but right, you can't touch them. Like that, you can see the physical body of a human, but you can't see virus. The people who are suffering from so many diseases have these things. These virus had been attacked to their human physical body, the physical body of a human. Let's see, I will give you some examples. One day there came a man, and he had a small problem. The problem is that he can't bend his what we call back. So he is suffering from backache. He has done so many treatments, but those treatments had not cured him. Finally he came to me and asked me, right, sir, what can you do for my illness? Then I saw his physical body is there, but the internal body is not healthy, because it is full of those bad spirits. It has been attacked, and from here and there, especially from the backside of that man, 1, 2, 3, according to my memory, three very powerful spirits had been attacked. Attacked means they have been touched there. So I made arrangements to remove them. Then that man had been cured, but on one condition, because in those days I did not ask him to reveal this to the public and also the other guys. So he protected it as a secret. But today I am revealing all these secrets because the whole world is suffering from that virus. Which virus? Corona. I am not directly talking about the corona. Corona is also the same. So COVID is also the same. What we call a human can, or any doctor, or let's say the what we call the medicinal organization around the world can give, right, so many names, but I see it is a virus. It is that virus is formed, right, by affecting those very, very bad and mal, right, practices of spirits due to the bad behavior of human. So that is one of the example. Then I will look into another one. One day while I was teaching a certain kind of a student around 15 years old or so, he was just grabbing his head like this. I asked, son, what had happened to your head? Then he said, sir, there is a intolerable headache. That headache attacks me and it pains me very, very, very badly. So I can't keep my head rise. So that is why I was putting on the that head on the desk and resting. Then I saw I saw there was a one of the bad spirit is attacking his head. He was on the top of his head. So I made arrangements, right, to remove him. Then that guy, that student, the boys told me that now it is he feels very cool and there is no pain on his head. And then there was one of my relative, he was suffering from severe stomach ache. He had been in the hospital by taking treatments, of course not a single hospital. He had changed his that means hospitals into 2 or 3, but he had not been cured until he gets some tablets and also the painkillers, right. His stomach ache and also the pain inside of the stomach is vanished. But as soon as he forget to take it, once again that ache comes. That means there is also, I saw inside of his stomach there is a bad spirits. So all these diseases and also ailments and also painings, right, are given to the human by those spirits. I can give you thousands of examples which privately experienced by me myself. So it clears to me that those ailments and painings and diseases are due to the bad behavior of bad spirits. So we have to look into those spirits and their behavior without identifying the correct situation, the correct reason for a certain kind of illness. We cannot make treatments without taking any medicine, without swallowing tablets, without inserting or injecting some antivirus into the human body. This virus can be killed and it can be removed. So I invite all of the people around the world, listen to me and follow the instructions given by me, and they are very easy to follow. Only very simple things should be done, right? And then get free from this coronavirus. Have a nice day. Good luck.